Hi there, students. Tortuous, an adjective. Tortuously, an adverb. Okay, tortuous means with many turns back and forward. A road going up a mountain but going backwards and forwards. Serpentine. This is a tortuous road. It's twisted, it's winding, it's circuitous, yeah? It doesn't go straight up, it goes back and forth, and back and forth, and back and forth, and back and forth. A tortuous footpath connected the two mountain villages, winding with many turns. Yeah, the road or the footpath went tortuously up the mountain. Now, it's very common to use this word tortuous figuratively, to mean complicated and not straightforward, with lots of complicated steps and twists. There were tortuous negotiations until a deal was reached. Each side insisted on various different minutiae before the agreement could be reached. His tortuous plan to become headmaster of the school had so many elements to it that it was impractical. Now, don't confuse the words tortuous and torturous. They come from the same root torcere, to twist in Latin, but torturous refers to torture and pain. Tortuous refers to convoluted, not straightforward. So it may be tortuous, fulfilling the obligations of the administration, yeah? And that itself might be torturous, but not necessarily. So there are many tortuous requirements before you can get that license. And it may or may not be painful getting the right pieces of paper. Tortuous, however, is a negative word. It implies too many twists and turns, too many steps, many more than is necessary. Okay, so torturous, painful, tortuous, twisted, convoluted, with many steps, complicated, winding, going backwards and forwards. So the tortuous road led up the mountain. It wound back and forth. The tortuous administrative system made a lot of extra work for the employees. Okay? So, next question, formality. I'd probably give this a 6.5 to 7 in formality. Informally, I might say twisted, winding, complicated, overcomplicated. I would use tortuous in something literary, something semi-formal, or something very formal. And then the origin, well, in Latin there's a word tortuosus, which comes from tortus, twisting or winding. So tortuous, convoluted, with many turns, not to be confused with torturous, painful. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tortuous.